Have you ever wondered what the Synopsis is for in Scrivener 3 for Windows? You'll find the Synopsis under the Notes section of the inspector. It looks just like the Notes box beneath it, but it isn't. The Synopsis is actually the same as the Corkboard. Well, apart from putting in that kind of shadow text from the main document. Anything you type into the Corkboard will appear here, and anything you type here will appear in the Corkboard. You may prefer this format for typing up your outline, and just use this and never look at the Corkboard. You can also use the Synopsis as a printout. You'll see under the Microsoft Word section that there's an item called Outline, which is literally all the synopses presented in a readable manner. So, which you use is up to you. You might use both, depending on what you're doing. For example, write the outline in the Corkboard and then, instead of using split screen to see the cards, just have the synopsis showing. As you've probably already realised, Scrivener isn't a one-method app. There are many ways of doing everything, and it's all down to preference. Next time we'll be covering a few basic formatting options for your index card text.